Healthy Forever presents Top Plants for Removing Indoor Toxins. Plants purify the air in our home and reduce harmful toxins, and some plants are more effective in doing this than others. So today, we will take a look at the most likely plants to purify the air indoors, and all of them look decorative as well as being useful. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips. Plants that remove toxins from the air indoors. 1. Devil's Ivy. This is an evergreen plant also known as a money plant and used in Feng Shui to clear away negative energy from a room. It is a tough trailing plant that grows well in quite low light and will trail around your whole room if you let it. It also survives cold weather and doesn't require a lot of water. Mist the leaves with a water spray to get the dust off them, and water once a week. It survives higher levels of neglect and does well in most homes and apartments while removing toxins from the air. 2. Peace Lily. This plant actually humidifies the air with its high transpiration rate, meaning it copes with the high humidity levels usually found indoors. It will also reduce the toxins in the air while benefiting both your respiratory system and skin health. It is an ideal plant if you suffer from allergies or asthma. Keep the cat away from it as it is toxic to cats, causing renal failure if ingested. Mist the leaves of the plant with a spray. Your plant will live for years when given some annual liquid fertilizer. 3. Spider Plant. This slightly unusual looking plant has tiny white flowers and looks quite lovely when flowering. It removes toxins from the air very effectively, so buy more than one spider plant and group them together. If you live near a busy road, it is known to reduce carbon monoxide levels. The plant survives best in fairly dry soil, so only water once a week, and it will survive in a cool room. 4. Mother-in-Law's Tongue. This plant is a bit different, in that it releases oxygen at night, where most plants release carbon dioxide at night. So you can keep it in the bedroom while you sleep. Because the plant is spiky, it is another plant that looks better when grouped in 3 or 4 different heights for the best effect. It is a plant that survives extreme neglect, low light, and infrequent watering. It is a really useful houseplant. 5. Bamboo Palm. A lovely indoor palm that will purify the air and repel spider mites. The bamboo palm also adds humidity to the air, and it will remove toxins from the air quite effectively. Position in indirect light and do not overwater the plant. The plant will do well in a hanging basket in the bathroom or even in the kitchen. Conclusion. As you can see, all these plants remove toxins from the air, and none of them require much care. So buy them all to do the work for you in keeping your home free of toxins and to adjust humidity levels. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.